you, the Freamsters, yo. Let's go.
There he is, the garbage man. I see him. So Mav and I are out to watch the garbage man. It's one of our favorite things. Got the side yard all cleaned up and raked up today. That looks pretty good. Here he comes. Oh, what's that? Garbage man. Cool. Do you love the garbage man? I love how much you love the garbage man. I think it's just so cute. Garbage man. With his big old garbage truck. That's so sweet, dude. What do you think? Look. Look at that truck. Wow. Yeah. Garbage man, I see him. That's awesome, huh? There he goes. Look at that. Good morning, my little maverick. We got it all done. Wave. Wave hi. Wow. Bye, garbage. Cool. Wow. All done. Bye. Was that awesome or what? High five. Oh, yeah, there's more. You're right. He keeps going. Look at all the bruises on your shins. Holy cow, you're like a super baby boy, huh? Oh yeah, you like this one? The Hot Wheels Racing. Ooh, that is a cool one, huh, buddy? He's so cute. Hi, buddy. You playing with your Hot Wheels? Your cars? Cool, cars. These are the slot wheels track pieces, huh? It's just so interesting to watch you play. I thought I would watch you play. You're a cute kid, yeah. Horse. Yeah, horsey. There he is. I think there's a bunch of horsies in here, right? There you go. Here's your horsies. Ooh, and a Master Chief. Cool. Well, yeah, that's a cool one. Cool horses, yes, I see them. Oh, yeah, you're showing the Freamsters of horses? Very nice. You want to show it like right here. Look at the horses, guys. You're coming to focus. There we go. Yeah, right about there. Just like that. Perfect. Good job. New one. Yeah, I see that. Master Chief.
No, this. No. No. This.
Look how cute your puppy's being. Look at this little guy.
No.
Whoa, so cute.
No.
Matt, put it on. Cool Deadpool mask. That's how you put it on. Mav, do it. Oh, you're Deadpool. Wow. That's cool, huh? Look what I put on for you. Hot Wheels Battle Force 5. The washing machine guys are about to be here, so I gotta make sure you have something to watch. Our washing machine went kaput. So Dad has had to clear the way for the Sears delivery guys and clear the hole for the washing machine. Super excited. That'll be here very shortly. Deadpool. Yeah, it's awesome. We're going to get a new washing machine in there. Can you say washing machine? Say machine. Oops, sorry. Say machine.
No.
Ooh, what's that? Who's that? Deadpool? Yeah.
No.
Uh-huh.
That was
Deadpool. Yeah, I see that. Very cool.
No.
Uh-huh. The washing machine in there. Where is it? Where's the old one? Where's the old washing machine at? I don't know either. You're so handsome. Getting our new washing machine. Delivery guys are here. Taking away the old one. Doing a good job, dudes. Thank you. How cool are these guys, huh? Awesome. Say bye, old machine. Bye.
Push. Push. No.
There goes, yeah, there's the new one. Right there. Cool, huh? Is that cool to see all the work going? Look at this big old truck these guys have. Do you see their truck? Look at that. Wow. Cool truck. Well, these smart dudes have a furniture dolly. I'm just going to roll it right in like that. Look at that. Easy breezy. Tell me what you think about our new washing machine coming in. That's so awesome, right? Gonna get a new washing machine? Look, there they are. You see them? You see those dudes? There's our washing machine right there through our window. Past the flares. Let's see if the camera will focus on them. There they are. Hi, dudes. Here it comes. Yep, here it comes. Man, you guys make that look easy. Get it out by myself. That sucked. I just walked it. All right, buddy, getting hooked up. New machine going in. Glad to know your priorities are still straight, Matt. It's like, yeah, new washing machine, but I got a sweet set of Hot Wheels here, though. That's awesome, buddy. I love that truck. So cool. That's a cool truck also. Very nice. And like that, they're out of here. Washing machine is installed. You guys want to see? I know you do. Check this out. During its first cycle. Thanks, guys, for the help. Set it up. Made it run the first one empty, they said. Sweet. I'm going to have to mop up some water in here from the hoses being flopped around. But those guys were in and out. I mean, yeah, could they have possibly been faster? I don't think so.
No.
Whoa, look, there's their big truck. That's so cool, dude. Truck. Do you love that? It's awesome. Say bye, dudes, with your big truck. That thing is sweet, huh? They move all kinds of stuff around. Can you say bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Bye. Good job, Maverick. Mwah. Okay. Engage cuteness. 3, 2, 1. Cuteness! They're so cute, huh? Oh my goodness. You guys. You're adorkable. Good puppies. Good puppies. Do you love your puppies? Do you love them? They're cute, huh? You're cute. Good boys. Good boys. Good boys, too. Good job. Oh. Are you snuggling the puppy? Puppy. What are you doing, cute puppy? Just blending in with the sofa. What'd you do? You got yourself stuck up there? How far off the ground are you? Not that far. Oh, you made it! Good job, little baby boy. Oh, yeah. Whoa. I gotcha. Okay, I don't gotcha then. Fine. We're all packed up. Get everything we need. We're gonna go pick up Brody, okay? Talk about adding a ton of work. You guys add a ton of work to doing anything. You know that? It's just like, I thought having this dude was bad enough. Whew. Plus all these guys? What are we even doing? Oh, those sounds. Woo! Brody on the vlog! We just picked up Brody and he's telling me about his last day of school. So keep going, bud. We all want to know.
So we had an hour-long assembly right in the morning.
Yeah.
And so we had a half day today. And we had the hour-long assembly, and then we got back, worked on packet or writing. It was optional. And then we had a party for an hour. That was great. It was really just eating pizza and having dessert and signing your books and talking with your friends.
Nice,
just,
dude.
Like messing around and like taking pictures.
Did you get everybody's signature who was important to you?
Yeah.
Nice. What did your teacher, Mrs. Wilson, write in your book?
Just like a nice note about how we had such a great year.
Cool. Right on, man. Well, I'm so happy you're out of school for the summer. That's so awesome.
Oh, guess what I wrote in everybody's yearbook?
Tell me.
Get a pet frog.
No, you didn't.
I did.
That's so funny.
Everybody's yearbook.
So funny. Look at this dude go. Climbs up through the kitchen, through the window,
To the walls!
down under the seat. That's pretty good. High five. Parkour. Matt, say parkour. Good job, Pocket. So Snarf and I are working on a reorganization project where we're going to take all these cool cowboy encyclopedias that are down here.
We're having a reorganization.
Yeah. Come on, camera. Give me some ISO adjustment. No? Alright, that's okay. And we're going to throw away these old encyclopedias or move them outside.
No.
And then we're going to...
Soup's outdated.
Yeah, until the internet crashes. And then what do you have?
No one cares. When the internet
Better
crashes,
have
we have bigger
encyclopedias.
problems.
Yeah. Organizing all Maverick's toys and redoing our show so everything fits.
Maverick's got a lot of choice.
Yeah. And Snarf and I are doing what we always used to do. Dubstep,
That's not what that's called.
Dub Smash, and Sims. So we're having a house party. We don't need nobody. Turn your TV off. Break that boombox out.
Watch this one, Freamsters. Hang up. Start over. Try again.
Snapchat has taken over their video
It's not
game.
Snapchat.
What is it?
Listen, little Mitch. We're gonna do Joey Learns French. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Je m'appelle. Great. Okay, faster. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Pou.
Great. Okay, faster. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Les poupous.
Did you sing?
No. Can you do it standing so I can dance it?
Look at Mav. He wants to get down and dance too.
It's not the dance.
Do it again, look. Mav's got the move. Mav's got the spinning dab going.
Like, yeah, the spinning down.
Yep, that's what he's doing, bro.
Okay. Watch me do. Alright, B.
Good job, Mav. I love your moves.
Give it.
Got the baby behind him. Because Mav backup dancing him he's dancing the same way behind him. You've got to be able to get both.
He's playing basketball.
Yeah, I'm playing basketball with my friends.
Congratulations, 21. What grade are you just done with? Fourth?
Third. I'm done with third. I'm going in fourth.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's huge. We'll read some books together this summer, okay?
Okay.
Get a paper towel.
So interested.
Brody sweated on your.
No, he push popped it.
Oh, Brody push popped on your page of your yearbook.
Brody, we handled
On the
it.
Joan Snyder page.
Because he's a
You what?
9-year-old.
His push pop ice cream
He
treat.
pulled the stick out of the thingy, and you got raspberry on your page. You got raspberry on your page.
Bloody soddy hell.
Do you want to see what he's doing? Hold on. He couldn't play. And now I got Brody his own hoop. Now guess who's over here playing at our house? Because the game is on and the dogs are out and the garage is open. Watch this. Say hi to Nana. How's it going? I was just having ice cream. Oh, look at your shirt and your hand. Everything has ice cream on it. Uh-huh.
Cute little orange mix.
All the puppies are out here, and the game is on the TV.
You know you can just turn it around so you can
playing
see
with
what
my
it's
friend.
pointed at.
Yeah.
Turn it, push the thingy. You turn
Yeah,
it.
you did.
Oh.
Yeah, the garage door's open. Yeah, it's open. I know, isn't that cool?
Excellent performance from Cleveland.
Man.
As they shoot 50%
So,
from
what do you need? Oh, come here. You need one? I got one. Super Dad, here. Come here. Here. Super Dad's always carry one. Oh, you don't want that? Alright. What is it? Oh, more. There is no more. All the, I should call it the Cowboy Encyclopedia.
Okay, there's a we involved here.
Stacy, help me. Thank you, Snarf.
Mhm.
All the Cowboy encyclopedias were on the bottom shelf, and they got moved up there. So Mav's toy chest got put down here, and then his little wagon, and then he got 2 shelves for toys. And look at the front of this.
Wow. What I'm excited to hear is that Mavis is not feeling, sort of completely supplanted by.
No, not the slightest. He is still the priority for sure.
Here you go.
Good.
And then this one for Nehemiah.
Oh, awesome! Thanks, Mom. Did you say thank you? Oh, say thank you. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I want you to come, he said. Come on. Did you hear him say to her, I want you to come?
No, but I believe it, and I love it.
So I'm trying to keep the air in by keeping that door closed and this door closed. But apparently my house is the hangout tonight. All the neighborhood is all here, so that's okay.
On the move.
Eating some popcorn, watching some Top Gear. Top Gear is the military edition this time. So the guys have vehicles they think would be good in the military, and they're racing a tank. It's pretty sweet, huh? Oh my goodness, look how cute this boy is. Hanging out with Maverick this morning was so much fun. We got a new washing machine delivered from the guys from Sears, organized Maverick's toys and shelf, and vlogged with Nana while we were Skyping with her, and watched some Top Gear, had fun playing basketball. Hope you guys liked the video, like the channel, and subscribe.